All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about regex. So a regex or regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. So regex can be used to check if a string contains the specified search pattern. So Regex Module. Python has a built-in package called RE, which can be used to work with regular expressions. Import the RE module. Regex is in Python. When you have imported the RE module, you can start using regular expressions, okay? Regex Functions. The RE module offers a set of functions that allows us to search a string for a match. So we have findall, which returns a list of containing all matches. Search returns a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. Split returns a list where the string has been split at each match. And sub replaces one or many matches with a string. Okay, so with that, let's go into our Python notebook and make a regex or regular expression notebook. All right. All right, so let's go into new, and we're going to label this 22, and we're going to use the abbreviation regex. Okay, so REGEX. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to import regular expression. So we're going to do import RE. Okay. Okay, and we're going to use an example here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do txt equals the rain in Spain, and then we're going to do x equals RE, search, quotes, we're going to do let's see here. Let's do shift 6, and then we'll do the dot asterisk Spain $, and quotes, and then comma text. Okay, and then we're going to do if x print yes, we have a match. If not, do else print no match. Okay, so if I run that, yes, we have a match. Okay. Now we have the regex functions, which we talked about in the PowerPoint. So the RE module offers a set of functions that allows us to search a string for a match. Okay. So we can do that with the find all, search function, split function, and sub function. Okay, so let's do the find all function first. So we'll do import RE, we'll do txt equals the rain in Spain. Okay, and then we'll do x equals RE find all, AI, comma text, and then print x. Okay, and then let's print x. And then run that and see what it does. AI. Okay? Then let's do the search function. So we're going to do import RE, and we'll do same thing, txt equals, in quotations, the rain in Spain, and we'll do x equals RE.search, and we'll do a /s, and then comma txt, and then print the first white space character is located in position, colon, comma, x.start. Okay, now when I run that, the first white space character is located in position 3. Okay, then we have the split function. So with this, we're going to import RE again. Txt equals the rain in Spain. We'll do x equals RE.split. Okay, and then we'll do quotations, / an s, lowercase of course, and then txt, and then we're going to print x. Okay, and so when I run that, what are we going to get here? The rain in Spain. Nice. Okay, and then the subfunction. Okay, so the subfunction replaces the matches with text of your choice. Okay, so you can see with these examples, so let's import re, txt equals the rain in Spain. And the point of this example is to just show you what the functions do. Okay, re.sub, and then we're going to do quotes back / s, and then comma, quotes 9, and then comma, text, txt, and then we're going to print x. Okay, I'll run that. The 9 rain, 9 in 9 Spain. Okay. So those are regex functions, and that is regex in Python. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.